In this video, we are going to discuss about the update and delete rule of restrictions when we are going to declare a foreign key in a child table. As you know that whenever we are going to declare a foreign key and not specifying any rule of update and delete, it is set as a default in SQL. Let us go to my workbench. In my workbench, I have declared two table name EMP and having EID as a primary key, ename as varchar and age as an integer, and inserted some values in it. And I have created a table name department with DID as a primary key, dname as varchar and EID as int, and also declare EID as a foreign key which is considered as a common field between EMP and department. And you can see that after declaring a foreign key, I have not declared the rule of any update or delete. So when we are not going to declare any rule of update and delete after the declaration of foreign key, SQL stored it default as a restricted. So you can go to the department table and see alter table in the foreign key segment. You can see that the foreign key options on update and delete are set to be restricted. So what does it mean? It means that whenever there is any updation or deletion has to be occur in the row of parent child which is related or corresponds to the child table, means the entry which is in foreign key and the entry which is in parent table and entry in the foreign key are present, then at that time we are not able to make any update. So you can see I have in my table name EMP and there is near about total 7 entry, and here in EID department table I have only 1 entry, that is D101 sales 1, and EID 1 is common in both the thing. So I just want to do update EMP set EID equal to 23 where ename of 1 is Rakesh Singh. So I just write it ename is equal to Rakesh Singh, and you will see that update is not possible here. So you can see when I press an update, it gives me an error message. But suppose this EID I want to set it for some other column. Suppose I want to set for column number 2 where entry's name is Aman Verma. I will make this, okay, and I try to update. This will be get updated. You can see that Aman Verma column get updated to the 23. It is possible. Why? Because Aman Verma entry is not present in the department table. Similarly, it is applicable for the delete also. So suppose I want to delete a row number 1. So delete from EMP where EID equal to 1. So this will not execute because delete is present in the corresponding child table. It gives me an error message that it cannot delete or update the parent row. Okay, but if it is in a column number 3, if EID is number 3, it get deleted. You can see we are able to delete the third. Okay, you can see the third number of row is not present in EMP table. So you can come to know that what exactly the things are, what are the rules of delete and update. Key are defined as restricted when nothing is defined at the time of declaration of foreign key, and it is not possible to update or delete parent table row if corresponding row exists in child table. So I hope so you are able to understand about the restricted rule for the delete and update. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thank you.